Reference number 1145. Good day to you. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day. My name is Perlaida Pascual. I'm 33 years old. I'm single, but I had one kid, which is 3 years old. A girl.
Okay, where is your husband?
My husband is in UAE.
Okay, if ever we hire you as domestic helper in Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
My mother.
Okay, does your husband support you for applying in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem arises if ever?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about your education? What did you finish?
I took a bachelor in elementary education 4 years, but unable to finish due to some financial instability.
Oh, I see. How about your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
So you mentioned that you're undergraduate of education, right?
Yes,
So a
ma'am.
teacher, if ever, are you willing to take care of children with whom you teach them? It's okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I mean tutor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have experience in abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have 2 years experience as house helper. Um, I'm doing household chores at the same time tutor of the children that I am taking care of.
Okay, since it is your first time to work in abroad, how can you control your homesick?
Through internet, I used to maybe I use FB as a means of communication and Skype
Okay, why you wanted to work in Hong Kong?
to earn a living, help
Okay.
my family as
Okay,
well as
very
my
good.
as well as my kids.
So, do you know how to take care of newly born baby?
Yes,
How about the children?
yes.
What will you do if the children is naughty?
Um, I talk to them nicely.
Okay.
And,
Okay, how about taking care of an aged person? Are you willing or do you have an experience?
I am willing.
Okay. Which among the three family members do you want to belong or do you want to serve? Family with newly born, a children, or an elderly?
Children.
Okay, very good. So, are you afraid of the dog?
No,
How about the cat?
no.
Okay, since it is your first time to... by the way, do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of dishes?
Filipino dishes.
If ever, are you willing to learn Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
I'm a
good.
fast learner.
Since it is your first time to work in abroad, do you promise to finish your contract for 2 years
Yes, ma'am.
and extend if necessary?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep at night in your employer before?
11 p.m.
If ever, we hired you as domestic helper in Hong Kong, are you willing to sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you agree that the holiday must set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to not to ask advance salary for future, madam and sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what if the employer asks you, they only pay you not to take, but you are not allowed to take your day off? Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay. So, how does your employer know that you're a good domestic helper?
If I obey their rules, follow their instructions.
Any short message for future, madam and sir?
Hi, sir. Hi, madam. If you're going to hire me, I am hardworking, industrious, trustworthy, and I can assure you that I can be able to help you in any way that I can.
Okay. Thank you very much and see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.